Hey, 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 welcome friends, neighbors, and fellow YouTubers to part two of putting down carpet tile. So if you have not subscribed, please go to subscribe so you can see all my videos and hit a like if you can. I would appreciate that. This is, like I said, part two. You could find part one where I was just removing the nail strips along the edge that is in my channel under Shadow S Ranch. This is part two where I hope to get as much done today as I can. I had a delay because of weather. We had some cold weather here and it was just too cold for the adhesive. So I didn't want to try until I knew we had a stretch. I have a 3-day weekend. President's Day is coming up on Monday. I'm taking that day off in case I don't get this finished today and tomorrow. So I have the room pretty much empty. Only thing I left in here was that chair for when I get tired and need to sit down for a little bit. Today, my plan is to take this carpet up. I'm going to then scrape it, patch any areas where there's some little divots and chips in the concrete. This is a concrete floor. And then stain it. I have some stain that I'm going to try. And once that's dried, then I will put the adhesive down and then start laying the carpet. So hopefully I can get this all done. Like I said, 2 days, 3 days is the worst case scenario. So here we go. So I'm going to roll it up in sections and just cut it across here and be able to take it out in sections. And I have somebody to help me here, right? You gonna help, Rooster? Yeah. One other thing that you will need if you're doing this kind of work is you're gonna be spending a lot of time down on this concrete floor. So you're gonna need some knee pads, some good knee pads. You can pick these up at any hardware store pretty much. They will definitely protect your knees. All right, so I got the carpet and the padding up, and now I'm going to do some scraping. As you see, there's old glue from times past of carpet that was in here. So I'll scrape it all up, make sure I have a nice smooth floor to start with. And for that, I bought this floor scraper from Ace Hardware, just to show you. I don't want to be bending over, so it's got a pretty long handle on it. It's also got, looks like a replaceable blade that can be possibly turned around and then also replaced. So I am going to hang on to, again, this is I bought it from Ace Hardware. I'm going to hang on to this in case I need to buy some more blades for other rooms. Okay, you want to be sure you scrape your edges so that you can find nails like this one that you missed, and then you can use your tool here and get it out. Once you get it all scraped real good, you want to vacuum it up. After you vacuum, then you're going to want to mop it before you apply anything to it. Like I said, I'm going to stain this first, so I'm going to go ahead and vacuum everything, give it a mopping, and I'll be ready to actually do the patching next. So I just took a lunch break, had a hamburger, a couple pieces of chocolate, and as you see, I'm sitting down. I could probably close my eyes and take a nice nap right now, but got to get this done. So here we go. All right, so my next step is I'm gonna use this uh, ready mix concrete patch that I bought, and I've got my tools to put it down, and I'm gonna go all around the edges where there's a bunch of chips from pulling up the nail strips and patch them. And I don't think it has to be perfect because I'm just gluing these things down. So I just don't want to have all the big divots. Okay, so I got it all patched, all the divots from pulling up the nail strips. And my next step is, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. And then next step is to primer. I'm gonna primer the entire floor. And don't forget to clean your tools so that you can use them again and don't have to throw them away and go buy new ones. So I did clean up my trowel it with just some water. Came clean. But the other thing is always read the instructions on whatever product you're going to use. As an example, I was curious how long I need to let this cure before I can apply primer, and it says to allow it to cure for at least 24 hours. So it looks like this might be the end of part two. Uh, and, and tomorrow, I'll go ahead and get this posted tonight. And tomorrow, I will get up and primer it, and that will be part three. So, see you soon.